Here I have two vectors, u equal u1, u2, u3, and v equal to v1, v2, and v3. The inner product is written as follows. So it's u multiply u with a little dot and then v again. The formula is u dot v is equal to u1 v1 plus u2 v2 plus u3 v3. I'm going to use the highlighter to pair off which is connected with. So here, the two reds together, two greens together, and the two yellows together. So 1 with 1, 2 with 2, 3 with 3. If I define the vectors with numbers as followed: 1, 2, 3, and then for v, 5, 6, 7. To get the dot product, I just simply say u dot v is equal to 1, so 1 is like u1, v1 is like 5, so 1 dot 5, and when the dot here just simply means multiplied, so it's the same as saying 1 multiplied by 5, or 5 multiplied by 1, 2 by 6, and 3 by 7. So if I just multiply them out, 5 plus 12 plus 3 times 7 is 21. And when you sum them up, you get 38. For the next question, if I define another vector, so -2, 3, and v is equal to 9, 6. So up here there was 3 points, so 1, 2, and 3. So that's like saying 3 dimensions, whereas here I just have 2 dimensions. So you can imagine I'm looking at like a map in geography. So to get the dot product of this, just the same thing. The first one by the first one, and then the second one by the second one. So -2 times 9 plus 3 times 6, so -18 plus 18, which is equal to 0. So u dot v is equal to 0 in this case. And the inner product, so like what we noticed there is like up here we have two vectors, here we have two vectors, and when you get the dot product of two vectors, you always get a number, so 38 or 0. So another way of saying 38 and 0, they're scalars, just a single number, they're not vectors like with 3 coordinates. Some interesting facts. If u, v, and w are vectors and k is scalar, so k is like just a number like 1, 100, 105, whereas u and v are like vectors with the 1, 2, let's say 100. U dot v is equal to v dot u, so you can write them backwards. K, and remember k is a scalar here, is equal to, you can take the scalar out and get the dot product on its own, or you can switch it too. This is similar to the way that 2 multiplied by 3 gives you 6, and then 3 multiplied by 2 both give you 6, but you can write them one after the other or in either order. Another fact is if we have u times v plus w, you can multiply it in, so u times v plus u dot product w, so that's like getting the highest common factor and factoring out if we were working backwards. And then our last fact is v dot v is greater than or equal to 0, only if v is equal to 0, because it's